My cat I had when I was a little boy, and his name is Nippy, and this poem is called No Cat. Nippy's not a cat. He's the Pembrokeshire panther. Trebassa is his Malay peninsula, hunting voles and torn bits of leaf. Nippy's no cat. He is sky on ground. Grey hairs glimmer, dots of star in rolling black galaxy. Jumps to kitchen window ledge, a big bag, beams down for tea. How's he get behind you? Then he's up on the worktop, pours in your food. It's Star Trek at 6 on BBC Two, then back boldly out to explore. Nippy's no cat. He is Grace Jones. And your feet are Russell Harty. Claws and flat-eared battle cries wait, coiled back between telly and sofa. Unsocked ankles beware. Nippy's no cat. He is Godzilla, Kit Kong, that cat from the goodies. Belly crashes down upon towns of Lego I build for him to destroy. Nippy's no cat. He is the most powerful man in the universe. Humble's He-Man, never cringer. Crawls through Castle Grayskull's drawbridge. Persian pummels keep evils at bay. Hooray! We saved the world today. So up to the jersey on my bed for a quick nap and dribble. We snooze in celebration before our foes regroup. Nippy's no cat. He is a warlock's close spirit. Telepathic muse. Walks widdershins behind the chicken shed. Chatters silent under tree shadow. We share Marmite sandwiches and ketchup-flavoured crisps. Only he gets me outside of myself, confiding the nothings of school and the everythings of tomorrow. Nippy listens. We make maps out of twigs. Thank you.